Discover 20 of the coolest Amazon car gadgets that'll transform your ride. From tech upgrades to must-have tools, these are game changers you can't miss.
Many individuals hesitate to enter a giant puddle when exiting their vehicle at night. To prevent these awkward moments, consider installing door projectors. These innovative lights activate as soon as you open the doors, casting a bright glow beneath them. An added perk is the illumination of your car's logo, enhancing your vehicle's aesthetic. With an LED power consumption of just 5 watts and a remarkable lifespan exceeding 990,000 hours, this set includes 2 projectors for both the right and left doors, ensuring you always have a clear view. Experience the ultimate upgrade for your vehicle with a universal car adapter that takes the place of the standard transmission lever. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this adapter allows you to effortlessly adjust the height of the handle, enabling a shorter shift stroke for enhanced performance. These stylish handles are commonly found in drag racing cars, and now you can bring that competitive edge to your own ride. Choose from an exciting selection of 6 vibrant colors to match your personal style. Parking can be a challenging task, particularly for new car owners. However, installing a rear view camera with a monitor can significantly simplify this process. The suggested equipment model is compatible with a variety of car makes and models. It wirelessly transmits the camera feed to a color monitor, eliminating the need to run wires throughout the vehicle, which makes installation a breeze. The package comes complete with a 4.3-inch monitor, camera receiver, and signal transmitter. Enhancing your car's trunk or glove compartment with an LED strip is a smart choice for improved visibility and convenience. The T10 LED strip model delivers an impressive 500 lumens while consuming just 2 watts of power, making it energy efficient and effective. Compatible with all car brands, this lighting solution is easy to install and resistant to moisture, ensuring durability. It connects seamlessly to your vehicle's onboard network with the appropriate adapter, making maintenance a breeze. Upgrade your car's interior lighting today for a more functional and stylish experience. Discover a store that provides an extensive selection of switches and buttons tailored for a variety of car models. Our toggle switches come clearly labeled for different functionalities and feature backlighting for enhanced visibility. With a diverse array of colors available, you can easily find the perfect match for your vehicle. Plus, they are fully prepared for installation in both standard and additional sockets, ensuring a seamless upgrade for your car. The store provides an extensive selection of holders for your vehicle's instruments. What sets the Podium apart from its competitors is its sleek design, allowing for easy installation on various models. To fit it properly, simply warm the part with a specialized hairdryer. Crafted from 3mm thick plastic, the Podium is remarkably durable, maintaining its shape even when exposed to direct sunlight. Additionally, it is engineered to accommodate 3 devices, ensuring that essential information about the powertrain and car components is conveniently located right in front of the driver. The seller also offers various modifications, giving you the flexibility to select the perfect option for your needs. Experience the ultimate solution for maintaining your car's interior with our exceptional wax sponges. These versatile products are not only perfect for your vehicle, but also ideal for cleaning various materials around your home and utility spaces. Designed for durability, these sponges are reusable, feature a dual-sided design, and are washable, making them a practical choice for any cleaning task. With a convenient diameter of 10 centimeters, each set includes 12 high-quality wax sponges, ensuring you have plenty on hand to keep everything spotless. A compact and convenient pneumatic ratchet wrench is an essential tool for anyone involved in car repairs, whether at home or in a professional shop. This versatile tool enables you to tackle repairs on cars and motorcycles in tight spaces with ease and efficiency. With a working speed of 160 revolutions per minute and a pressure of 6.3 kilograms per square meter, it delivers impressive performance. Depending on the model, this wrench is compatible with M10 or M13 bolts, making it a must-have for any mechanic's toolkit. Scratches and dents on your vehicle's underside. You can either use this essential accessory yourself or suggest it to the tire technician when you notice they are about to lift your car with a jack that doesn't have a stand. Crafted from robust rubber, this stand effectively protects your car's bodywork from potential damage caused by the metal jack. With dimensions of 6.5 by 3.3 centimeters, it is compatible with most jacks and lifts, making it a practical addition to your automotive toolkit. When it comes to car repairs, achieving the precise gap between various components is crucial. To facilitate this, feeler gauges are an essential tool. Our stainless steel feeler gauge set features 17 blades securely housed in a durable steel cage. Each probe is expertly crafted to provide accurate measurements of gaps between parts. Each stylus is labeled with its corresponding size and constructed from polished hardened steel, meeting international standards. This allows for precise measurements ranging from 0.2 mm to 1 mm, ensuring your repairs are executed accurately. Monitor your child effortlessly with the crystal clear baby car mirror. Its 360-degree rotating camera and 149-degree wide-angle view allow you to keep an eye on your little one from any position. With night vision capabilities, you'll enjoy a clear image even in dim lighting. The installation process is simple, featuring a plug-and-play setup, while the mirror remains stable to reduce distractions on the road. This is the ideal solution for safe and stress-free journeys. One popular method of car tuning involves upgrading to larger rims and tires than those specified by the manufacturer. If you're looking to enhance your vehicle's appearance through this modification, enlarging the wheel arches is essential to achieve your desired look. By using the right tools, you can avoid harsh techniques like inserting a pipe or using a hammer to manipulate the arches. This approach allows you to make adjustments cleanly and without risking damage to the paintwork on your vehicle, ensuring a professional finish that complements your style. Experience the ultimate in driving comfort with our leather driving gloves. Designed to enhance your grip on the steering wheel and gear shift knob, these gloves are essential for maintaining control, especially during hot weather when sweaty hands can be a challenge. The unlined design and fingerless style ensure a snug fit, allowing for a comfortable and secure hold. Beyond driving, these versatile gloves are perfect for any task that requires a reliable grip. Crafted from high-quality natural leather, they offer exceptional strength and durability. Choose from classic black or brown colors, available in 2 sizes to suit your needs. This innovative tool simplifies the process of unbuckling car seats, significantly decreasing the effort required. It's particularly beneficial for children and caregivers who may experience hand discomfort. Installation is a breeze, requiring just 4 easy steps, and it enables you to release car seats with a light push, protecting your fingers and nails from unnecessary strain. Rigorously tested for safety, it ensures that accidental unbuckling during impacts is not a concern. Transform your vehicle's appearance with spiked wheel nuts that offer a unique aesthetic while maintaining optimal performance. These eye-catching products come in an array of vibrant colors, including green, blue, red, black, gold, silver, and more. Each nut, complete with a tip, weighs 40 grams and measures 80 millimeters in total length. The set includes a nut, an O-ring, and a removable tip, providing everything you need for installation. You'll receive 20 lug nuts in your delivery. Remember to use only a wrench during installation, and don't forget to specify your preferred color when placing your order. Transform your outdoor experiences with this all-season car tent that sets up in a mere 30 seconds. It shields you from snow, heat, and debris, ensuring you stay comfortable no matter the weather. With windproof straps and a robust suction cup, this tent remains stable in diverse conditions. The detachable battery not only powers the tent but also charges your devices, making it incredibly convenient. Its versatile design is perfect for camping trips, beach days, or simply providing vulnerable to various risks. To ensure the safety of your vehicle, consider installing a comprehensive video surveillance system. This system features 8 high-definition cameras that allow you to monitor activities in real time, both inside and outside your garage. Designed to withstand the elements, these IP66 waterproof cameras are resilient against rain and snow. With full HD video quality and audio recording capabilities, you can have peace of mind knowing your car is protected. A comprehensive wrench set for stereo removal is essential for every car owner. While skilled intruders and car thieves may adeptly detach magnetos without specialized tools, it's crucial for us to utilize pullers to prevent any scratches or damage to our vehicles. This set includes 38 keys specifically crafted to extract magnetos from various manufacturers' shafts. Made from a durable metal alloy, these keys feature a sleek silver finish, ensuring both functionality and style. Modern vehicles are equipped with many electronic systems, and unfortunately various sensors and components can fail at the most inconvenient times. When the check engine light illuminates on your dashboard, it indicates that a sensor is malfunctioning, which can lead to improper vehicle operation or even prevent the car from starting altogether. A specialized scanner is required to diagnose the issue or clear the error. This device connects to the electronic control unit via the OBD2 port. The scanner features an informative 8.1-inch touchscreen, operates on the Android 9.0 system, and is powered by a built-in 5,000 mAh battery. It also supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. The scanner includes various adapters compatible with different car brands, all conveniently housed in a durable plastic case. Comes vulnerable to various risks. To ensure the safety of your vehicle, consider installing a comprehensive video surveillance system. This system features 8 high-definition